Hello guys, in the previous video we have seen how to configure a keylogger and how to hijack the clipboard. Today we will discuss a new method. Now as you may already know, all the browsers offer to save the username and the password when you submit these data into a login page. So on the next time you visit the same login page, you will see that your username and password are automatically filled in, without typing a single letter. Also, there is a dedicated third-party software like LastPass that can do the same job for you. The point here, if the target was using this method for the login, then neither the keylogger nor the clipboard methods will work in this case. Okay, let's have a quick look, and I will be using LastPass plugin on the Firefox browser. So let me open the browser here, and it's crashing, so let me close this one and create a new one. Okay, so I will go to my Gmail, and to prove my point I'm gonna use the previous clipboard script before logging into my account here. So let me run the script here, and I'm gonna log into my account using LastPass software. Notice that LastPass has inserted my email and password automatically. So this is the password here, has been filled automatically, and you can see that on the left side that the clipboard script could not catch anything here. So I have logged in successfully, and still on the clipboard we got nothing. Okay, so let me log out from my account and go back to our presentation here. Okay, so in response to this, the hackers have created a new attack called man-in-the-browser attack to overcome this dilemma here. In a nutshell, man-in-the-browser attack intercepts the browser process API calls and extract the data while it's in clear text before it's getting out to the network socket where the SSL encryption happened. So what we're gonna do is first let me try to draw a Firefox process here. Okay, so this is our process here. We will debug and get inside the Firefox process, then we will intercept the API calls for a specific function inside a DLL module. So this is the DLL, and we will do intercepting for a specific function inside that DLL. After that, we will extract the data and continue the flow. So, in summary, the steps for doing so are the following. First, we need to get the process ID of the browser process. Next, we need to attach our debugger to this process ID. Then we need to specify the DLL library that we want to intercept, as well as the function name inside that DLL. Keep in mind that we need to know the memory address of the function so we can continue the flow after the intercepting. Next, we set a breakpoint and register a callback function. Now, in the callback function, we will print out the sensitive data from the memory in a clear text. After that, we will wait for the debug event using the debug loop. Once the debug event happens, we will execute the callback function. After executing the callback function, we will return to the original process. which means here to continue the normal flow. Now last word, if you didn't get the idea completely, don't worry about it. In the next 2 videos we will see these steps in action. It's much simpler than it looks like. Thank you very much for viewing.